Ngicela kuqala ngikundivusela nonke bungozi ngivusele le office original nebalingani bami ngalana. Igama lami ngingigcina but labanye ndibangibita ngamgogo ngokadlami isibongo. Ngikapteni wayo le team. Engibe khona for isikhathi eside senginesikhathi eside ngikhona khona. For nje ngifuna uqala la kulamanuselelo ukuthi nje ngifuna kusho ukuthi siready kakhulu. Asikafiki lana ngeby fluking. Silana vele ngicansisa deserve kubala. Njengoba nje kwasaqala nje le season from the first game nje satshela ukuthi yonke igame kufanele sithathe njenge final. Yonke nje igame kude lelula kusindaba sakho sasenda njani. And okunye lekungathi lokhu tasebenzela maybe to our advantage. Le squad lesinaso sesinesikhathi esiningi sikanye kanye. And futhi sihlala lokushilinye. Konke nje team standa nje sikanye kanye. So coming to a question but yenza well Tefi. Lithefi ngicansi ngicombe phu although singadlali khona. But siyala silijwayele sikuyenda sihle sidlala nje ama friend bosomhlolo. Siyalathi nje siyimbole kanje. Yabo. Ngicansi nje for le game vele ngicansi si ready kakhulu but ngamema nebamvu nje bonke nje. Abafuna ukubukela ibhola lemnanzi ukuthi abenyuke bayekaho. But njengoba kushito coach ukuthi ngeke kuvete sisitawunda njani. Bami labafuna nje but kuyobukela ibhola lemnanzi abanyuke bayekaho. Emkhuzweni.
Not so long ago, standing next to His Majesty.
Ngokhuluma kakhulu akuva.
Yeah, I started obviously a couple of weeks ago. We met as the champions. I think we're hoping to get confidence. And I'm calling in about your opponents in terms of information, history, my strengths are by team.
Truly speaking, asati lufo ngabo. But loko angibona ukuthi abayinkinga because ngicansile lena nje nechannel engwenyama ka isite kakhulu. Bezana nebambu phambilini lesingabadi sicala kubabona. But ngathini nje singibamle abasheshe bafunde kukhona kusheshe bafunde igame. Kuthi abona abantu abakanjena adapta kanje senda kanje. Ngicale ngwenyama cup isite kakhulu ngoba bezidlala ama opponent nje ngombili singawadi but abesikhona egcineni kuphuma siwini.
Give me a strategy
to me ngitheka advantage kakhulu because sitawuya lena sibabona sibakanjani sithi nasesibuya la second leg ngicansi coach utawubona into manager nina la singakhona sesilungise khona.